Removing values from a list or a dictionary, not too difficult, although there are two ways to do this, and they have a critical difference. Okay, you'll see the first is the pop method. So if I have the apple, orange, banana array that I had in the before, fruit, and I say pop index number 1, it's going to get rid of orange. It's going to remove orange from that array. But pop is a return something method, and what it returns is whatever value it deletes. So it will take orange out of the array and put it into this variable, which is really useful because think about it. If I have a list of people and I want to do something to each of them one time, and I want to make sure that as things are done to them, I remove them from an array, I can pop them into a variable, do the thing, and then I'll go to the next one, pop it, and when I run out of things in the array, I know that I'm done. So that's kind of a useful way to do things. If I just want to delete it, if I just want it to go away, like if I have an employee database and I just want to fire somebody, I just want the record to be gone. Sometimes that happens. You just want them to go away quietly. We could remove the fruit like this using the index. So del for delete, AR fruit 1. By the way, if you say delete AR fruit and you forget the index, what do you think it's going to do? It will, and you'll be sad. Maybe your users will be sad. Somebody's going to be sad. So make sure you include the index or you delete the whole thing. Nice thing about pop is that if you forget this, it's just going to yell at you. It won't do something terrible, like delete your whole array.
Was your listening ARR?
Could be either one. Usually I use AR. For some reason I hit an extra R there, but it doesn't really matter. Like, it could go either way. Yeah, but that was a good catch. So dictionary employee, if I want to take age out of the dictionary employee, it would return 25, and that dictionary would no longer have a field in there for age. If I wanted to add that back, I'd have to add it by adding it in it, which is what I'm going to show you in just a minute. But this delete, same as with the list, just makes it go away.
So if you delete the AR fruit 1, is there not going to be that one slot anymore?
That's a good question. Everything after it in the index moves over 1. Yep, until it runs out of ones. Yes.
If we have what happens if we put a number in the index that isn't in the list?
If you enter an index that doesn't exist or a key that doesn't exist for a dictionary, it will give you an error. Yeah. And that's a very common error. It'll say index out of range is the error you'll get. Yeah.
How do you reverse a pop? Like, let's say you want to bring them back to the array.
You want to put them back? You want to rehire the employee you just fired?